minsan nakakalito, nasa ng right, nasa ng left. Bobo lang. Delikado, madulas. Huwag niyong gagayahin yan, yung dumadaan sa mga bicycle lane. Tangang pasaway lamang ang gumagawa niyan. So U-turn. Hindi ako nag-best. So nandito na tayo sa Palar. Palar Street. Tingnan natin kung sino ang una sa meeting place. Wala pa ako nakikita naka-board man eh. Pep, 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 pep. There we go. Ayan, para sa ating mga riders, ingat lang. Ayan. Keep your eye on the road, alert. Ayan, tingin sa kaliwat kanan. Lalo na yung mga singit ng singit. Ayan, laging ugaliin na every time, every minute, titingin kayo sa side to side mirror nyo para safe tayo. Kasi minsan nafocus tayo sa sa harap eh. Hindi na natin na kukuhang lumingon sa kaliwat kanan. Ayan, para safe tayo. Ayan, ugaliin natin lumingon kaliwat kanan. Yan, ugaliing lumingon sa pinanggalingan. There we go. Ayan, tulad yan. Yan tayo motorcycle lane pala. Tayo sa motorcycle lane. Time check, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m. na nga in the morning pa. Time check, it's 9 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan, ang tinatakbo natin ngayon is 60 to 70 kilometer per hour. Ayan, nandito tayo sa kahabaan ng C5. At malapit na tayo dun sa location kung saan ang meet up ng Bergman Street 125. There we go. Ayan, so keep right na tayo. Keep right. Malapit na ayun, natanaw ko na mga heritage. There we go. Saan ang location? Bergman Street 125. Saan kaya sila? Yan. Ayan, nandito na kami sa location. Early Bird. Ayan. Anong pangalan ulit, sir?
Richard Cusi.
Chai.
Steve Collins sa sa GC.
Ayun. Ano?
Steve Collins.
Steve
sa GC.
Collins. Ayan, hanapin natin si Steve Collins. Ayan. Dito na kami sa Shell. Third place. Sino to?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So, sakto lang na dito tayo sa hulihan para at least capture natin ang ano nila. Capture natin lahat nila. Naka-signal sila sa left and right, so hindi natin alam kung saan. There you go. Maganda kasi may cameraman siyang dala. Ako solo flight. Wala tayong cameraman dala. Ang Birdsman Street 125. Ayan. So dito ang second meet-up. Dami. So ito yung Team Taguig, yung mga naka-violet. Ayan. Anong team to? Anong
Laguna! Laguna!
Ito yung first na ano, no? Show force, no? April 15. Makuha ang Bergman, ah. Okay.
Thank you.
Bakit may ganyan?
Ako lang ha.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Oh, ang dami. Okay na? Ayan. Ganda na setup mo ah.
Ayan, si ano to, Kuya Bern. Ito ang ano namin, lagi nasa likod.
Magkano lahat ang ginastos mo dito?
Kuya Bern!
Ba, mga nasa 30 na siguro eh.
30.
Unti-unti.
Ayan eh, brigade. Sino mo?
Pag may nakita ka sa online, tindo.
Fireman eh.
Ayan.
Ayan to.
Anong trabaho, Ter?
Ha?
Anong trabaho?
Wala lang.
Ah, okay. Akala ko talagang sa fire ano ka eh. Baka may lumalabas sa tubig dito.
Hindi, para sa kapwa ko yan, hindi para sa akin.
Ayun, oh. Pag may mga nadaanan.
Kuya Bern, try and tested to.
Para sa kapwa.
Ayun. Ganda ng setup.
Oo naman. Talaga yan. Uy, ano, namatay na naman?
Hindi lang ano, no? Pang long ride talaga, no? Ano naman ang ano nito? Ano naman ang mga laman?
Wala, mga lang.
Mga tools.
Fiber ka. Fiberglass na eh.
Ah.
Wala kung ano pwede nilagay. First aid.
Ano to? Pasadya?
Tropa ko dito.
Okay.
Gumagawa yung pagkain.
So ito lang talaga ang binili. Ito, paggawa na. Galing, galing.
Gusto nyo, contact nyo ako. Re-repair ko kayo
Oo.
sa...
Tsaka yung ganito,
Ito, online. May gumagawa talaga.
online siya.
Ano to, plug and play.
Mm.
Pang parts, may pang P6, play.
Oo.
Nagasambalis gumagawa ito. Sa online meron.
Gear up! Gear up na raw. Solo ka?
Oo.
Wow.
Saan po kayo?
Taguig.
Tagig, para dyan.
Ayan. There you go. Tulak na kami. Ayan, so sabay-sabay na kami tutulak. Galing. Hindi na ako nag-shoot dahil baka mahuli ako. So next time na lang.
Tulay lang, tulay.
So ano muna ako, participants muna ako for now. Hindi muna ako media. So gusto ko munang ma-enjoy yung being a rider for now. And sayang naman kasi no, ito yung pagkakataon na ma-cover natin tong Birdsman event. O I don't know what you call this parang meet up lang ng mga Birdsman So gusto ko munang i-feel being a rider, no, hindi muna ako being a media for now. Sali muna tayo sa participants.